Oh gosh, I did 92? What? Get out of here. Now let's start capturing the point, boys. Heal him, boys. Capturing the point. Yes, let's do this. Ooh, first win on the first video. Let's do this. Okay. Go, go, go. Oh gosh. Whoa. Might have to pay them. Boom, get out of here. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, death. No, 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 death. Death, you must die. Die, death. Oh gosh. Double heat is the first thing that we've done in such a long time. I did the Overwatch beta videos back in my very past time. I think I did one video. But I'm on here on Overwatch non-beta. But yeah, we're gonna be playing as Lucio today, hopefully. But yeah, that's what I plan on doing at least. So yeah, let's get into quick play and I'll see you guys when we start. I can't even. Okay. I think I can control. I think I can control. Oh gosh, no. I cannot. Oh god. I can't. Hold on. I'm gonna try and control. I'm gonna try. No, nope. Wait. Okay. Hold it. You can. Yeah, spinning.
Nerf DS. I'm surprised I got one. I might not dead.
Hey, how's it going, YouTubers? My name is Jacob Plays. Welcome back to another video. This one's a bit of a just a feelsy kind of video for me. I'm gonna be here to say thank you to Blizzard. Thank you for making this amazing game of Overwatch. I have played this game. If you look at my free profile, it won't show it, but it says I've played 161 hours. That's about half of what I've played on this game in a different account, and just this game is amazing. Thank you, Blizzard, for this amazing update, for just all the time you've given us, the amazing support, the amazing feedback that you give, just everything from every character's personality, their backstories, tragic or not, they still have some amazing, beautiful times in the comics where some are sadder than the others, but it's still beautiful to see some of them. One of my personal favorites from all of the comics was the Bastion and Torbjorn one. That one just was like, you could see a bit of new feelings from Torbjorn. It was such a good comic, and I'm just gonna say my favorite of all of the events has to be Junkenstein's. That one was just so fun. I just enjoyed all of the events from this amazing game. I personally cannot say this enough. Thank you, Blizzard, for what you have given us as a community. An amazing competitive game where if you find the toxic players, you can just mute them. Perfect. And most people know that by now, at least those that have played a bit, and those that haven't, you've just learned it here from me. But I just thank you for this amazing game that you've made. It's just it's my top it's in the top. No, it's top number one. It is the top game I've ever played. I love this game so much. It is my very favorite, most favorite game of all time. It even surpasses one of my longest beloved games, Pokemon. That thing has survived for years for me, and this game has surpassed it in less than a year. It's crazy just to think that this game has been a year old. Thank you, Blizzard, for making such a phenomenal game. Us in the community, we must say thank you for everything. See you guys in the next one.